I'm told it's fixed. I'm told everybody's going to be made whole, just like this next story. Good segue on this one.
So, which is the Uber Pro Cash Rewards.
It's a good story. This is a good story. So Uber, get ready to get flattered on this one. Okay. So first of all, I got a bunch of emails. This is from my own app. It says, Sergio, you're not going to, the Uber Pro Cash Rewards has been suspended, but it will be back on May 1, 2024. A lot of people said, oh, I was just going for Uber Pro, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, okay, look, we'll just suspend it for a quarter. I get it. However, all the points you accrued until the suspension date will automatically kick in on 5/1. So make sure you take a screenshot of the points you already accrued, okay, in this period from February 1 to whenever they suspended it, I think to the 10th. Okay, so there were a lot of emails that I received that, Sergio, I did my Uber Pro reward deal and I'm not getting my money. We talked about this a year ago. Nobody listened, obviously. And a lot of you went and did it a second time on the fine print. As Chris says all the time, read the fine print. Some of you did not. And some of you fell for it and did it the second time. And of course, you went to Black Hole Support and they said, well, sir, this is only a one-time deal. And you sent it to me. And I'm going like, well, I don't even know how to fight this because Uber's just going to say this was a one-time deal. You shouldn't have done it. But my point was, if you're a tech company and you're following a lot of these things so closely, even if it was a one-time thing, why did you keep tempting these people, sending him the nudges, oh, do it again, get another 300, get another 500. And look, some people don't read the fine print and they did it. Now they're in a black hole. However, on the positive side, you know who you are. Much love. Without you, this would not happen. I know you know who you are at Uber. About 2 weeks or maybe 3 later, after going back and forth, now Uber is not known to put out millions in cash out there because Serge said something. No. I'm not under any false pretense that's what happened. However, they do listen. They pay attention. I'm sure they took this to their legal. Their legal said, well, you dumb shits, you shouldn't have sent the second time after the people completed the first time. It's going to be like false advertising. We're going to get sued. It's going to cost us this much money. Screw it. Let's just pay everybody. Guess what? I announced it last Tuesday. And right after that, email started coming into me. Sergio, I got paid. Sergio, I got paid. Hey, man, we do good work. Uber, thank you. You didn't have to pay. I get it. But for one reason or another, you listened and you paid. And I got so many wonderful emails saying that, Serge, I was going to pay my rent. I appreciate it, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, look, man, we do things. We do a lot of good things. We listen. We forward. We communicate with the company. And on this one, again, you know who you are. Much respect. Thank you so much. I know you made it happen. And according to them, it was a big number, Chris. I would assume so. With 3 million drivers, how many go diamond and how many did it the second time? It probably wasn't to the millions. And they did pay the second time. So, see, we're trying to stay positive. It is not all bad at Uberland. They do some good stuff once in a while. Yeah. So, yeah. And they paid everybody. And here are some examples of the emails.
Yeah, but the moral of the story is they shouldn't have put it on the apps of the drivers who already had it to begin with.
They definitely shouldn't have. Yeah. So these are some of the emails I got. That, once they started getting paid. I appreciate it. I'm doing my best here. Stuck between a hard place and a rock, meaning between the companies and the community. They are listening. They're doing their best. I'm trying to do my best. Obviously, drivers are doing their best. There was one email there that said, Sergio, my rent was short. This $300 came in handy, and thank you. I'm going to pay my rent. So those are the good feel. I feel good when I accomplish some shit like this. So, There you go. And thank you. You know who you are. Much love, much respect. And there you go. That was the one from Jason. Thank you. I had not faith in Uber. I'm gonna pay my rent today. Thank you, thank you. You know, these are the things that make me feel good, and these are the things that I enjoy doing. Like we did with the Prop 22 thing, like we did with a bunch of other things, these hocus pocus things that they do, and they go, "Oh, we got caught. We got to pay," and they didn't have to, but they did. Much appreciated. Thank you. Positive story.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.